Okay, so how to use Character AI app without an account? Yep, so you can just easily do that. Just go to beta Character.ai. So this is their official website, and then you don't need to create an account. As you can see, I'm not logged in. I already have an account, but I just want to show that you don't even need to log in. Then you can just go and select any character, and then you can just tap send, and there you have it. You will just be described as a guest, and then you can just still regenerate responses, but your functionality will just be a bit limited. But you can also create image, upload image. You can also